You know, guys, I decided quite a while ago that when I got to 100 subscribers, I was going to do a giveaway. Now, I'm not quite there. I'm at 86. But fuck it, I'm going to announce it. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. So, if you're not already subscribed, then go ahead and do so, because that will be a prerequisite to enter. Once I hit that 100, then I will release a video highlighting what all the rules are to enter. And then it will officially begin. Probably for 30 days, if I had to guess. That's what I'm thinking right now. So yeah, just real short and sweet. You know, if you want to have a chance to win the contest, giveaway, whatever you want to call it, because it could be considered either, then kick the like button in the dick like a chick, click on the subscribe button, stay cool, stay sexy, just like me.